Hello, welcome to the program. My name is Dean Kim. And in this program, we will review English idioms and expressions and provide examples on how they are used in various business situations. For many non-native speakers, English idioms and expressions can cause many problems because most of the time they do not have literal meanings. Especially in doing business, if you don't understand the idioms or phrases being used, you may feel confused and make a wrong decision, or it could cause you to lose a business opportunity. So getting to know their meanings and how they are used will be very helpful to you in business communication. The first expression we will go over today is cash in on. Cash in on. This idiom means to take advantage of a situation. Often the expression is used with activities that will lead to a financial benefit. For example, B, the Thai singer, cashed in on his popularity by acting in commercials and TV shows. In the example, B used his popularity as a singer to make money on commercial advertisements and starring in TV programs. B cashed in on his popularity. He used his popularity to financially benefit by being paid to sponsor products. The next expression is take stock. Take stock. This idiom could have two different meanings depending on which context it is used. For example, the department store closes down for 3 days every March in order to take stock. In this example, take stock means to count the number of items currently in stock. The department store closes for 3 days to check what items they have in inventory. Or, to take stock can mean to evaluate a situation. For example, we need to take stock on what the new tax law means to our business. In the second example, they need to take stock and understand the new tax law so they can make the right decision. They need to evaluate the new tax law. The next idiom is break even. Break even. Break even means when your expenses equals your profit. It's a situation where you don't lose money, but you don't make money either. Use it in an example. After 3 years of doing business, the company was finally able to break even. In the example, it took the company 3 years to break even, meaning it took the company 3 years to stop losing money. The fourth expression is ballpark. Ballpark. Ballpark is a general estimation or an educated guess. Used in an example. The contractor gave us a ballpark figure for the cost of repairing the building. When someone gives a ballpark figure, they're giving an estimation about the number, about how much something is going to cost. Another commonly used idiom is clinch the deal. Clinch the deal. In business, if you clinch the deal, you come to an agreement on a proposal or offer. Used in an example. Tom's persuasive explanation allowed us to clinch the deal. Because Tom gave a convincing reason, they were able to come to an agreement. They were able to close the deal. The next expression we will review is tighten the belt. Tighten the belt. This expression means to reduce expenses, to spend less money. For example, when worldwide demand for software decreased, Microsoft had to tighten the belt. In the example, because Microsoft expected to make less money due to lower software demand, they tightened the belt or decreased the amount of money they spent. The seventh idiom is jump on the bandwagon. Jump on the bandwagon. If a person or organization jumps on the bandwagon, they are doing something a lot of people are already doing. For example, when organic food became popular, certain stores were quick to jump on the bandwagon and promote it. Stores jumped on the bandwagon to promote organic food because others were already doing it. The next expression is take a nosedive. Take a nosedive. If something takes a nosedive, it decreases or drops in value very rapidly. For example, the stock market took a nosedive when the property market began to weaken. When something takes a nosedive, it means the price or value goes down very quickly. Another idiom used in business is in the red. In the red. In finance and accounting, numbers in red indicate a loss or a negative number. So when you're in the red, you are losing money. You are not making a profit. For example, the airline industry has been in the red since the price of oil began to rise above $75 a barrel. In the example, the airline industry is in the red, meaning the airline industry is losing money and is unprofitable. And our last expression for today is making money hand over fist. Hand over fist. The phrase hand over fist is used to express doing something very quickly. Used in an example. The small ice cream shop has been making money hand over fist since it opened. In the example, the ice cream shop is making a lot of money in a very short period of time. It is making money hand over fist. That concludes this episode of Business Idioms and Expressions. I look forward to seeing you next time. And remember, practice makes perfect. So until then, have a nice day.